Hello, Captain Thunderpants here. Thunder and lightning is very dangerous. You have a 3,001% chance to kill you. That is very low, so you're not going to die. And thunder is straight, so it goes directly where it wants to go. Lightning goes somewhere random. Facts. Thunder is 50% dangerous. Lightning is 40% dangerous. Thunder and lightning is very severe in different cases. Thunder has bolts that can struck you. Lightning and thunder can be yellow or blue. If in the middle of the day, if it's really cloudy, that means there is a 50% chance that thunder's on the way.
Hi, I'm Finley, and I'm here in Central Africa with Maisie.
Hi, I'm Maisie, and I'm in Central Africa with Finley.
And we are in a huge lightning thunderstorm.
As we said, lightning can occur in Central Africa.
Another fact, lightning occurs less frequently in the winter.
Thunderstorms are most likely in the spring and summer months, and during the afternoon and evening hours, along the Gulf Coast and the eastern and western states. Most thunderstorms occur during the afternoon.
Lightning is the sound caused by lightning. Speaking about lightning, lightning kills approximately 25,000 people around the world each year.
Meanwhile, areas such as the Arctic have very few thunderstorms, therefore almost no lightning at all.
A single bolt of lightning is around 50,000, 5 times hotter than the surface of the sun. Most lightning occurs over land rather than oceans, with around 70% of it occurring in the tropics.
Most lightning occurs over land rather than oceans, with around 70% of it occurring in the tropics.
Thunder and lightning can bring heavy rains, strong winds, hail, and tornadoes. Types of cloud lightning includes Scatego, forked ribbon, and bead lightning. Scatego lightning which is a short, journey stroke that often, but not always, appears as a single very bright flash and often is considerable strength.
Hi, I'm Cece, and today we're going to talk about lightning and thunder. A single bolt of lightning is around 50,000 of 5 times hotter than the surface of the sun. Prepare for power outage. Flying debris is thunderstorm's #1 killer. The irrational fear of lightning is known as astrophobia. Thank you.
Thank you for watching 24/7 News.